Hi, this is Mark Up with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm standing in front of the sign for Saltwater Grill and Sunset Marina. We are just a block from my new listing on Front Street, and I wanted you to come check it out. It's a 2-unit. One unit is vacant, and the other one is rented out. The tenants have been long-term. They've been there for over 20 years, would love to stay in the building. They are reliable, responsible, and the space has parking out back. Why don't we go take a look? So I'm standing in front of 186 and 188 Front Street. We'll go in 186. We won't go in 188. You need to come to one of our open houses or schedule an appointment for that. But let's walk around back. I'll show you the building and the parking spot there. This driveway that I'm walking on has access to the parking for the unit that's for sale and the next door neighbors. And we've got parking for this building over here. We're not going to go into the basement, but there is a doghouse dormer that leads to the basement, and each of those has a new boiler. Okay, it's going to need some work, and it's also going to be a great investment as the oil tanks come down and development happens across the street. You certainly have a step in and a leg up in this neighborhood. The other part is there are some water views. Once things get trimmed down a little bit, it'll be pretty spectacular. So let's go in and take a look. As I come into the building, you'll notice that it's been freshly painted, which is really pretty nice. It's, someone is going to want to add their own creative touch to make it their own, but it's quite nice. You've got your front bedroom over here. Someone will likely want to redo the flooring in here. You've got some closet spaces here, very good walk-in size closet. I just want you to see that. So plenty of storage. And we'll go into the back bedroom. On our way to the back bedroom, we've got the washer and dryer here, that those stay. We also have this bedroom in here. There's a big armoire and certainly lots of room for furniture. And across from here, we have a full bath. And what's nice about it, it has a real aquatic type feel with this custom shower with the octopus and fish and a nice soaking tub and the rain shower head. So why don't we head upstairs and take a look up there? And we're at the top of the steps. You've got this really big open living room space. And I want you to take a look through the window here because there are some nice water views. These branches need to get trimmed some, but that would be, see right over into Portland across Casco Bay, which is pretty nice. You have replacement windows in here. Fireplace. We did leave a room air conditioner for folks. And in here, there's a half bath. You can take a peek here, very sweet sink. And we're going to head right into the kitchen space now. So a nice cooking island here. Stone cabinets, countertops, cabinets, nice fridge, stove. We're having a backsplash put up here. And nice cabinetry. And a spot for a little breakfast nook area here. And a huge walk-in pantry. So you can figure out what you want to do for shelving in here, but this is wonderful storage space, and it also, I think you'll appreciate it. It has a nice pocket door to close that off, and Again, I'm the listing agent for this property. My name is Mark Gupp. My phone number is 207-232-6127. If you are looking to make Maine your home, give me a call. And this is a great option to have a 2-unit in Ferry Village and help someone pay your mortgage with tenants on the next door. Thanks for watching.